The 2011 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, air conditioning, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, keyless entry, aluminum wheels, 5-piece floor trunk mat set, cruise control, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, AM/FM stereo with CD player and MP3 WMA capability, FWD, trip computer, power windows, power door locks, MP3 player. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.